smell it.
Alright, so today I'm going to be racing a FZ07. It's a Yamaha. I might get my ass handed, but let's see what happens. I'll just try it out just for fun, yeah? Alright, we're gonna go for round 2.
Ready again?
Yeah. Round 2?
What?
Round 2? You hung.
No.
You hung. You hung.
I can't reach the button.
Missed the gear. Alright, we'll do it on 3. Damn. Whoa, you're supposed to let me win. Alright, so that was all a joke. I'm gonna show you guys what it would be like if I actually raced him. I have it in sport mode right now, traction off. I'm gonna floor the out of it, and you'll see the real results if I actually race this guy. Alright, so we'll go on 3. Yeah, so no chance. No chance at all. We'll do one more, but I mean, it's a bike, you know. You want to do a 30? A 30? All right.
Go to the end and turn around.
Okay.
Almost done.
All right, we're gonna do a 30 roll as close as I can. Wow. That's pretty messed up. Well, that was an actual race. That way you guys know. Hell yeah. Alright, so please like and subscribe if you like that. Thumbs up, you know what to do.